Hi. Hi, how are you? You gonna talk to me? Talk to me. Talk to me. Come on. Tell me. Yes. Tell me. Oh, look how alert you are. You know everything that's going on around you, don't you? Don't even blink. Yeah, you better keep that head on a swivel. You better keep that head. Okay. Okay.
Why did you guys not hold me sooner?
Okay. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, back at it here Monday morning. Lots going on. I will be taking the LS tractor out to disc at Joe's house. He's getting ready to put some tile in. So that'll be fun. Get some time with him. So it definitely means I need to put the buddy seat or the training seat, as they call it officially, in the tractor. So I have to put the training seat in. Some of the stuff we're working on, Austin and I have a lot. Well, Austin has a lot of pine to mill up. So we are definitely going to be milling up some pine. I do want to move the sawmill shed. I want to lift it, pick it up, move it up onto a pad, and get it set up to do a little bit more production. Right now it's kind of a cute setup, kind of like these guys got all these little mill sheds. I mean, it's a cute sawmill. It's tiny compared to, I would say this, the Woodland Mills HM 130 Max is a great, like, it's a serious hobby mill. It's a serious hobby mill. I think we just need to address my adult ADHD. I can't focus on anything. Maybe that's the real topic of today's video. Truth is, I need to get in the gym. It's what helps me the most. Helps me deal with anxiety, focus a little better, prioritize what is important, what should we be doing. Something in here's for me. There it is. There it is. Sweet. Here it is. You know what this is, Dean?
No, I don't.
It's my training seat for the tractor, so you have a two-seater cab. This is the extra seat. They call it a buddy seat.
Buddy seat?
But training seat sounds better. Actually, they call it a training seat. I call it a buddy seat. That's. How do you feel about sitting on a buddy seat?
I don't know about this. Cab.
Well,
Tractor.
Well, it's air conditioned. It's not bad.
Maybe July.
Yeah. Well, Joe and I are going to do some discing, so I need somebody to. Actually, he's going to be in the training seat as the trainer. I'm going to be in the regular seat. They're actually not bad. Like, I know what you're thinking. It's not maybe twice the size of my hand, so it can't be very big. I'm excited. This is going to be easy. I think. Go get our stuff. Maintenance room. Looking for my metric wrench. Ah, there it is. This is my metric wrench. Well, I'll be honest, I did not think I was gonna have to take a tire off. These are loaded tires, so they're full of, beet juice. They're heavy to begin with, and then we added 600 pounds of beet juice to this thing. So I don't really feel like taking these off. So let me show you what they want me to do. Yeah, they're saying use your overhead hoist, which I don't really have. I don't have one. But they want me to remove. So my goal is to see if I can skip this. for your benefit and mine, not having to take the tire off. So right here's the lever. What it is it needs a new shifter. So the range lever right here probably is going to come over to give the passenger more room. I don't really know why, but I got to pull a spring off, and it's got a couple nuts and bolts. And let me show you the area I'm working with. So this is the original. So you can see how it comes up, comes over. Well, this one is the one that they sent with a package. So you got this guy, and that guy's gonna just probably stay over and stay out of the passenger's way. So I gotta replace the original with this new range lever. Was not expected to do that today. I thought it would be simple, you know? I thought it was gonna be, you know, pop these 4 caps off and bolt the seat in. And I've got to take this guy and, yeah, take him out. This is all from Austin. Austin, getting my stuff dirty because he was sitting up here. But let me show you the area that I got to try to work in. Okay, so there's the spring. There's the spring right here. And then I'm sure it's all goobered with paint, but there's the nut or the bolt right here. And then the lever comes up and over. And that's what we're trying to replace. And I'm not quite sure why. To be honest with you, I don't really know why. That's why I'm here, to try the stupid thing first so you don't have to. So this is the shifter. That little boot probably comes out. Okay. Creeper would have been easier, huh? Well, I want to make sure I'm getting the right one. So let's do this. Okay. I feel like that's the same exact thing I'm putting on. just gonna say it. I don't think I need to do this. I think it's already got the shifter on it unless there's a length difference. So yeah, I don't think this job's needed. I want to go out on a limb and say it. So I've saved you the hassle, pulling the tire off, pulling this shifter off. It's the same part number. So it must be that the 573 is, you know, that might be for older models, I'm guessing. But this is ready to receive the buddy seat. No reason to do it. All right, well, that's good. What I learned is this guy threads into here. This guy goes right there just to keep it out of your way. And if you need it, bring it up. So yeah, that's what this little guys for. Let's get up in here. See how chummy it is. Well, definitely going to be hitting the face forward here. Yeah, it's tight for a big dude. The forward reverse is right here, so that's going to be fun. Let's see. I guess if I sit sideways, I can do it for you. How about that? Yeah, it's tight in here. So I wanted to interject a little bit in this video. I had never put a training seat or a buddy seat into a tractor, so it was my first time. And the good news is you don't have to take that rear tractor wheel off. That's a lot of work, and I'm sure it would require torquing those lug nuts down and all sorts of work. So the good news is you can do it without taking that rear tire off. However, the kit does come with the shifting knob that you should replace. So as I was doing it, I realized I thought that it wasn't necessary for me to put a new lever in. But once I got the seat in, I realized, okay, that lever is shorter, so it'll clear that training seat. Yeah. You don't know it until you try sometimes. All right. Take that spring off. Take that bolt off right there. Slide the new gear shifter in down on that knob and tighten and reattach. The buddy seat is in. Everything's in. Lever is now shorter, so it'll clear the seat. Let's see. The old one was longer. So that's that. It was definitely a little more involved than I thought, but you didn't have to take the tire off. So that's a lot of weight, that tire. So saving from having to take that back rear weighted tire off, it was worth the hassle of getting under there, my opinion. I suppose if I was a dealer, if I was a dealer, I still wouldn't do it. In my opinion, easier to put it on without taking the tire off. That's it. So anyways, I hope this is helpful to some of you, and yeah, we'll see you in the next episode. What's up, dude? Hey, you gonna talk? Grab a handful.